Hello, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update Windows PowerShell on Windows 10. Guys, you have to update Windows PowerShell on Windows 10. It's guys very easy and simple method. One or two step we can know how to update Windows PowerShell. Guys, first click on type here to search, and here you type Windows. Wait. Guys, you can see this downloading. Wait till this one application open. Wait till this coming. You can see this type of interface showing. Wait, then click on this next. Again click on next. And click on next, and you can select option which you want. Then click on next. Then click on next. Then click on install. Wait till this. Guys, then click on launch PowerShell. Tick it. Then click on this finish. And guys, you can see this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video of technical. Bye guys.